Right. So yeah. So let's begin with like the filter flow. Jose, do you have any updates on that?
Yes. Um, Filter. Yeah, filter. I was working on some aspects of the UI on like once you press buttons, so it says like it's applied. And I was refactoring my code so it works with the view model. And I still need to work with Chihuahua, with Chalk, for the navigation. But and the also the navigation. Sorry, the search location. Navigation already works. Also, I did that, and yeah, it's almost done. The only thing that needs to be done is the search the location. And for the feedback, I have the main layout, but it needs styling.
Awesome. Great. Regarding the location part, which you said, what's the blocker or why? Like, is there any issues with that?
Well, I personally have been reading about it. I'm still not sure how to implement it. And yeah, I don't know. I think Chuck can help me with that. But we haven't worked on it yet.
Okay.
You just done talking. Hello,
Hello.
Jose. Are you okay? Jose,
Hello.
sort. I will just point you out so you can head in the right
Can you hear me?
direction. Yes, I
Wait.
can hear you, Jose.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
What
So
were you
all
saying?
the styles, please put all your styles in the filter module. You understand? All the styles that you'll be using for that particular filter module, so
In
that you
the
don't
in
keep
this in
going.
the in the rest folder, in the resources folder for filter module.
Yes, yes,
Oh yeah,
yes, yes.
I was wondering about that. Yeah, I put them back. I wasn't sure. I forgot to ask you that.
Okay, okay, please do that. Then another thing is that because the filter, if you've noticed from the Zaplet file, the filter we kind of have a way of passing back the tags selected. I don't know if you understand.
Wait.
Do you understand? Hello?
Wait, the volume is kind of low for me. Uh, let me. Wait, I'm gonna try to join with my phone quickly
Okay, okay.
because it's kind of hard for me to hear.
Uh,
Hello.
yes, Jose. Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Can you repeat that again, also?
It says that the filter is kind of acting like a search function, in the sense
Yes.
that when you pick all those tags, when you select all those tags and you pick your location, it will actually pass the search queries back to the home.
Oh, to the home filter? Sorry, to the home module?
I guess
Home
I
screen, in the sense that when you click on apply,
Oh,
why were you all able to hear Jose, or was it just me?
no, it kind of bugged out.
Yeah, Jose, your voice wasn't clear. Can you repeat what you just said?
okay, what I'm trying to say, this is what I see it to, because the filter now, all those tags that be selected from under the, if it's a legal tag, from whom or an individual is coming from, all those tags and your location, they'll actually be acting as search queries. And when you click on, hello, is everyone with me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Josie, are you with me?
Okay, yes, you said that when you pick something, they're gonna
Okay.
be
So when you
query.
click on apply filters, it's going to pass. Yes, it's going to be actually a search query that will be passed back to the home module.
Okay.
So I just wanted you to understand the entire structure of it.
I see. Okay, okay. So
So
all
it's
the
acting like,
so the
go ahead,
searching
go ahead.
doesn't happen on the filter. The searching happens on the home.
Yes, but it's going to be passing those entries, those queries now, those entries that the user selected. When the user clicks on apply filter, you understand, it will pass it back to the home module as probably as a data class or something. Now, I don't know if you were able to implement, okay, yes, okay, someone is sharing his screen, right? Okay, Tejas, I don't know if you're able to implement this particular one now. Look at this filter end. Filter end. You can see the apply filter button. Look at the apply filter button.
Yes.
You can see it's because the person selected three chips. You can see apply 3 filters. Were you able to implement this?
I was able to implement the text next to each card. But I still don't have the count for the button.
Okay. Okay,
So
for this filter end. So apply 3 filters.
yes.
Okay.
Well, I can show you what I have so far.
Yeah, go ahead.
I
I'll stop
understand.
sharing. Sorry, you are saying something, Oscar?
No, let him go ahead. Let him go ahead.
I cannot. They just
Yeah,
use
you
the.
can now.
Well, let's see. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
So for the filter. Okay, so you see you can navigate normally, and then once you type, like it says applied. So that's what I was able to implement, this thing over here, but I still don't have the
Okay.
specific count showing the bottom below. That's the thing that I
Okay.
was working on, but I was thinking that I could get that once I already get all the data to send to make the query. And I still haven't gotten to that. Like I haven't been able to figure out yet. But yeah, well, what were you saying about that?
I'll help you work on that if I have time this week, because I have some funny bugs on from my end. So when I'm done with that, I will help you work on that count. Well, I'm glad you can see the back navigation is working, right? Scroll.
Yeah, the back navigation is working. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I just used a navigation icon instead of creating an image, instead of creating and putting an image view there and calling the toolbar function. So this R&D, you can see this R&D, it's not properly, go to types now.
Yeah. That I don't know why that broke. Good, that was fun before. I don't know.
Just Google how to use an ampersand in a text.
Yeah, I had it working before. I don't know why it broke.
Okay. Then the location broke initially. There has to be a way to choose a location. There has to be a way of choosing that.
Yeah, like it needs to give you suggestions, right?
Yeah, like
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
yeah, like when you type like SAN, then it should like give you an option like San Jose, San Francisco, San Diego, things like that, you know. And I guess it's automatically done with the Google, I think. Yeah, there should be some like, and
I think we will have to use a Google library for that. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, because there has to be a library for that.
A library that.
Go ahead.
So you need to give. So I was wondering where all the locations were to come from. So the locations need to come from an API or something, right? Like, or like.
We but I just a minute now. Let me check. Let me take a minute. There's a user for us to. Okay. Okay. There is a geolocation. There's an app. Let me share my for a minute now.
You want to share your screen?
Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Please. Leave.
So there is that we can always search, pull data from it. So I don't know how this API works, but I assume there are. Oh, let me try.
Where to complete?
Yeah, are you going to share a screen, Osai, or should I?
Okay. Oh.
Hello?
Hello, yes.
Yeah, my internet is very unstable. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries. So here I think we have this location details and the geocode API.
But the problem with this one is that it's for us to get in anything, we have to put in the lat and long, this latitude and the longitude of the user. We have to find a way to get the latitude and longitude of the user. But we can use I think one of Google's libraries can do that.
Yeah, I
We
think
can call.
Freedom is like saying something in the chat. Google Place library or Google Place API libraries.
Yes, that's the issue with that is that it's actually a very, very heavy library, the Google Place library. And we will have to, Google will be charging us for using whatever libraries. If we exceed a particular number of users or a particular number of queries, Google now charges for using any of their libraries, especially map or place. But there's a way we can call.
Yeah, if
There's a way we
that
can.
yeah, sorry to cut you. I was just saying that if there's something related to charges, then I'll just talk with someone from the partnerships team if we can see if we can get something. Yeah, but go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, there is a way to get from our API now. We can see now that all we need for this location reverse geocode is to impute the latitude and longitude of it, and we can get information about that particular user location. But the other API endpoints, we need the user to have signed in for session tokens and the other things. So if we can use the latitude and longitude of the user, then that will work fine. But we still have a long way before we start implementing that.
Oh, we still have what? Sorry?
We still have a long way before we start thinking about implementing that location feature.
Why? But exactly, I might have misunderstood this, but I just wanted to get it clear once that you're saying we need the users to log in. I think log in for what? Because without login, the user should be able to use the filter feature. Like filter feature has no dependence.
What I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to say now is that there are 3 API geo endpoints there. You have the API address prediction, you have the location details, you have the location reverse geocode. Now, for the first two, the address prediction and the location details, they need the user to log in, because if expand it first, expand any of the first two. Tejas, click on it. So you can see the user sessions, session token, and the other things. So they need to log in. So the only way we can try and query the user location is probably by clicking on the third one, which is the location geo. We can find a way to get this, an easy way of getting the longitude and latitudes. Then we can now do whatever I want to do. But I'm still very, very skeptical about the whole process.
What I think from this is why this must be needing the user ID. Is that so? What we are doing is whenever the user signs up, okay, he enters when he fills that form, the create profile form, he enters the location, right? And that location is stored with us. And then whenever next time the user logs in, the feed which we see here. So currently I'm logged in. My location saved is Mumbai. So anytime I see this, the posts are coming from Mumbai, right? Because it's already so I don't need to filter back the location. If I at all need to change it, then I can, but it automatically shows me post from Mumbai because that location is stored with my profile.
Yeah, something like that. But we still have a long way to go before we start brainstorming how to go about the location, because Jose has a lot of things to implement. But I'll do some research around this and come back to it. Let's go to Mayor J now.
Yeah. Okay. Also, yeah, this is suggestion from Ahmed as well. Mapbox library. So I think we can discuss more on this on the Slack, and you all can give the suggestions what we can do for this location part.
Yes, we may consider Mapbox library if it's cheaper than Google. Because I know Google, they charge very, very much, a lot now.
No, I think they charge pay as you go at $300. I think you have like you can actually make let's say how many thousand call before you get charged. If you look at Google Play, if you look at Google Pay versus these other guys, I think theirs is more efficient and actually offers more for you than using what's it called? This is what's the name of it again? So and then yeah, this one. And then if you actually want to use that Google search, Google Place API, right? So in real sense, we're now actually making use of the whole Google Place API, right? We're using the part where you can make location, you can make the part where you can help you give you this what's it called? Whenever you search for locations on a field, it just gives it gives you a drop down of several locations, kind of something like that, right? So it's quite easy and it's quite like I've used it before. I've used the Google Maps, the Google Place API on an app before, and it's very seamless and easy to use. Like all you have to just integrate it without any overhead.
Okay, can you join Jose and Chukwu?
Yeah,
Chukwu in working in that module?
Sure, I could, yeah.
Yeah,
okay, please just join them to work. Just join them in working on that feature so that they can get that up and running.
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, great. Okay, then so let's we can move on to next. Yeah. So
Mayor J.
Yeah, can you please share your update from the sign up?
Hi guys.
Hi, hello. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. As I mentioned on the channel on 2 days ago or so,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm done with the sign in, sign up feature, sign in feature with email. That is, a user should be able to register with his email, verify his email, uh, and then sign in with his email. Then there is also the feature to change password if the user forgets his password. But
Yeah.
I've not been able to test it because um, I need to wire up the the um, view model factory for the view model, and then the dagger, its own dagger component. So that was the only thing that kept me that hindered me from testing. I didn't
Okay.
exactly know how I could do that.
Okay. You're able to connect the. You're able to work on the navigation, right? That is, if you click on the button, it moves to the next.
Exactly.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. I will help you with the dagger now. Just push it. I will. By the end of today, I will work on the dagger and the stuff.
No problem. I've pushed it already. Actually, just can pull it from your side and then check out what I do.
Great.
Okay. What about the Alt Zero? Is it what?
Yeah.
Is it? Have you been able
No,
to test it or anything?
no, I've not been able to implement that. Auth, I think the way it looks now, Auth will be working only for the social media login and signing up. That is what that is the only
Oh,
one we have left. We've not done, but uh, 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 registering with an email, signing
got
in with
it.
an email, that's only what is working currently.
Got it. My one question was that so were you able to like pull all the account details or the login credentials of the people who have registered on which we have on the web app?
Yeah, I did. I I I I, I tried, well, not directly on the app. I tried it using Postman. The email I registered with, I was able to register to log in with it on the web app, and it was working. So what I got on Postman was exactly what I implemented in the app. So I'm very sure it should work.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. So we still that means we still need to work on the odd zero byte rate and what's the blocker there, Major, with the odd zero? What help we need more from? I think so. Josh had sent this message in that thread. I don't know if you were able to check that out.
Yeah,
And
they were saying something about cookies and headers, and that again, I'm not sure how we want to handle that. He said that's what is being used on the web app, and I'm not sure. That was why I tagged Osai and then Igor on that thread so that we can look at it together. But I think we still need to have a brainstorming on it, and then we might probably bring in one or two people from the web app team to have a look at it together.
got it. Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay, just a minute now. Just a minute. To add to that, I understand what he's trying to say because we have to manage the session of each user in the sense that when they are logged in, um, if their session expires, they can be logged out. You understand what I'm saying? They are logged out. So we can do that using an interceptor for OpenHTTP interceptor retrofit. I don't know if you have any experience using that, Mayor J.
Yeah.
Okay. We can also, for the odd zero, you can also use an interceptor in even the session, also managing the session. So let me just finish the bug I have. I have a very, very funny bug. So I will join you and Jose.
Igor. Igor, right?
No problem.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks a lot, Osai, for this. And okay, so yeah, one question which I had. So, as you said that you were able to like pull that data. So that does that mean that we can start working on the view profile
Um,
and get all the like profile information? Where is it? Yeah. Uh, yeah. Is it possible to do that, Major or Osai, if we have implemented the email sign up?
looking for this.
Sorry, I did not get that.
I didn't get the question. Tejas, please come again.
Yeah, I'll ask again. So, as you earlier, while implementing the profile feature, you had said that we before implementing this, we need the sign in, sign up ready, right? So that we have
Yes,
all the
yes.
data of the users. So now, as Mayorj has implemented the email sign up part, email sign in part, sorry, does that mean that we can now start working on this because we have that data?
Mayor J is not done with the sign in feature yet because it has two features there. You have the sign up and the sign in. You understand? It has two functionalities in that module. So I think he has worked on the sign in or the sign up. Mayor J, is it the sign up or sign in? You
Both of
say?
them. Both of them is.
Or is it
Both of them.
using email or using Facebook, Google, and the rest?
It's using email.
Email and password.
Only email and password.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll pull from his branch and test it because that full function has to be working well before we can actually move to the profile module.
Yeah, not just profile.
Tejas.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. So
Yeah. Also, I have a question. Right. So the com the core module of the application, does it have all the whole implementation for calling um for calling API and for DB and everything? Because what I heard from you was that from you about what's his name again? Majay, sorry if I missed it. Majay, right? If I'm wrong.
Mayor
About
J.
him sorry, Mayor J, setting up his own what was it called? HTTP Septo.
What I really told him was that because the core module is going to be, it's actually going to be shared across all the modules, and whatever anybody touches there will be a lot of mesh conflict. So I just instructed him to do all the network calls in his module first. Then when we are before we merge, before we do a pull request into the development branch, we will now do some refactoring. So it's not be easy to take, okay, this one belongs to this place, this one belongs to this place, then move the core functions to the core module. But from what I'm working on now, because I'm working on the whole module and I understand how the core module should look like, I'm actually putting the core functionalities in some of the core functionalities in the core module. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it's 10 now, but initially I was a bit shocked. I thought maybe each module has an implementation for these things. That's why. So
okay.
Yeah, it's fine, it's clear.
Okay, great. So Osai, you will be testing this part, right? About the how that email login is working. Osai?
Sorry, when I join him, I will start testing that part with him.
Yeah, perfect. Great. Okay then. So yeah. So Freedom, it would be great if you join Mayor J and Igor to research more on the. Oh no, sorry. You'll be helping OJ, right, for the location. Great.
He can work on he can work on both branches with both of them.
Yeah, great. Because we need someone to like help with the auth zero research part, and I'll also try and maybe we should have a meeting with someone from web app then. Okay then. Does anyone have any questions regarding the login sign up? Major, do you have any questions or any pointers?
Hello, guys.
Major?
No, I don't have any question.
Okay, no worries. Okay then. So yeah, next thing we can discuss is so yeah, Ferial, you have a pull request, right? Ferial, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Can hear you.
I can hear you.
I think you're not getting her name well.
Ferial, I said.
Fayel. Oh, I don't think she's in.
Like she's on the call, maybe she might not be able to hear. Okay, yeah, we can probably discuss when later. One thing is here, so we need to review this branch. So I've added you all, Igor, Osai, yeah, was it just
Uh, so what's the function of the branch?
yeah, it's for XML files for the edit individual account screens.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So just review that part. And another thing is, we also need to review the XML screens for the record password. So Ahmed have this pull request, and YZO I guess has approved. It would be great if Osai, Ozi, or Meje, anyone from you can review it once.
Okay.
Yeah, great.
Okay, you were saying let me meet up with some guys for the maps implementation. So you can just maybe we can make on my team send the names for so I know how many things.
No, it's just I was saying he can meet up with some people for the map implementation for the Google map.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I wasn't the one saying that.
No. I know you were saying let me actually join some guys. The
Okay,
location
Jose,
implementation.
join
Okay.
Jose for his branch, filter branch, to
Okay.
implement the map. Then you join Mayor J to work
For
on
the
the auth and the other
authentication.
functions he has issues with.
yeah.
Okay.
Oze, it would be great if you could message Freedom after the call, right?
Yep.
Great.
Please.
Okay.
Okay. I think so.
Great.
So so as far as the home screen is going, I was actually able to pull some data from the API, even though it's very scanty data. But the bug I'm having now is that the views,
Everyone, very sorry to, the call will end any moment. Please join the same link. Aditya as well
Okay.
as Oluwase also, you guys also please join the same link again.
Okay.
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 Yeah, go ahead.
Can you see my emulator? Okay. So I've been able to pull in some data from the API, but the issue now is that I don't know how they designed the UI, because it's reading from the right to the left instead of from the left to the right. I don't know. You can see the image is supposed to be somewhere here.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
But even this button is supposed to be somewhere here. So I'll work on this bug. The offers and the requests, they are having the same issues. So once I figure that out, I will display the full contents.
Okay, great. Also, is this working like with the offers and requests if you swipe? Hello, sorry, can't hear you. Hello,
I can hear
hello.
you.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. I guess my internet. Uh, yeah, sorry. Go ahead. Osai, you can share your screen. Yeah, no need to maybe share your screen. I was just asking that, is it filtering the offers and request part as well, the posts?
Come again, you say?
Is it filtering the offers and request part? So you showed us that the all post, right? So when you swipe it, is it filtering according to the offers and requests?
Yes, I'm able to get those from the APIs. So those ones are not the issue. It's
Okay, got
just
it.
figuring how to make it read from the left to the right instead of from that right to left. I don't know I don't know where the issue is coming from, whether it's the design or from the style sheet or somewhere else. But
So
I'll be working on it.
by design, do you mean the XML implementation?
Exactly, exactly.
Okay,
So I don't know where the issue is coming from, but I'll
okay,
figure it out soon.
okay, great. Okay then. So yeah, I'll just share my screen. Yeah. So yeah, we can review this part. And apart from that, so Ahmed, you were working on the edit delete post screen for XML part. So do you have any updates on that?
Yeah, I I I finished the edited post screen, but yeah, uh, you know, I have some issue on making that XML. Can I share my screen?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. You can see my screen.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. I want to show the okay. Do you see this? Okay, I make this fragment like this, you know, this edit post and the delete post, but I don't know how to implement. This is delete post with the red line, you know. Is it in the Java logic, or I have to use selector? That is one issue, and the other, I think I have implemented all the screen, you know, like delete post, and this is the feedback also. Yeah, I don't know how to implement this red delete post. Is it does it happen when you press the button, or
No, it should look like that only. Uh,
okay?
yeah, the button should.
Okay,
Oh no, I guess it should be on the press.
on the press.
Yeah, yeah.
So maybe the implementation is on the logic, I think.
Wait,
Uh,
come again, Ahmed.
yeah.
Okay, you're working on the edit delete feature, right?
Yes.
Edit delete feature, you are putting it in the wrong module.
Oh, yeah. I know.
It's
Yeah,
supposed to be in the home module.
in the home.
Yeah, it's supposed to be in the
Okay.
home module. So
Uh-huh.
I think that's going to be a bottom sheet now.
yeah.
Yes,
It's
it's bottom sheet.
Okay. So it's going to be a bottom sheet that when they go back again.
Okay.
Sorry, Tejas, go back to the Zapley.
Okay. Can you
Uh-huh.
explain?
Tejas.
It is my
Tejas.
Yeah.
it is my screen.
So what?
Can you repeat? I wasn't able to hear you.
I think he broke. I think he broke.
Osai?
He should be back in a jiffy. I think he broke.
Mm,
I think you can yeah, I think a selector can work for if you press it and you change the color. I think a selector might work.
Selector. Okay.
No, I think he can use the new Android. There's this thing we can add a stroke to a button, right? We can just a style, right? A style. So for the style of the button, just add a style, then give it the what's it called it's called I just hold on, give me a second. Let me look for it. I've seen it somewhere. It's let me check for it. So you
Yeah,
have to
I know. I understand. We use
yeah.
selector style, right?
No, the um material button, outline button, yes.
Yes. So we use
I wish I
style
could
here, I think.
show you this. Style. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand.
also, I would say, Ahmed,
You could just okay, go on.
yeah, sorry. I was just saying, Ahmed, that also I would confirm once with the design that is it done by them by mistakenly about that red button. If that red button is the button which is visible from the very beginning, or yeah, I'll confirm with them as well once.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, and let you know.
Yeah. Thank you. I think.
Hold on. I'm coming.
Okay.
Let me share my screen and show you what I'm actually talking about on this. Give me a second. Give me a second.
All right.
Give me a second. Give me a second.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello
hi,
there.
Osai, we lost you.
Okay. I was trying to say how are they going to activate which button will they press that edit delete post will pop up.
Yeah, there would be three dots on the post, right? I would let me just share my
On the
screen.
design.
Yeah, on the
Okay.
designs. Just a minute. Yeah, so can you see these three buttons? Sorry, three dots here on the post,
Okay.
feed post. Yeah. So these three dots will be only visible on your post. So if you have logged in, you have created a post, it will be only visible to on your post and not the other people's posts, right? And when you click there, this will pop up the edit post and delete post button.
Understood.
Yeah. I think Freedom, it would be great if you can also connect with Ahmed once and you can tell him. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, great. Okay. Uh,
Give me a second.
are you sharing screen?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, I would right now.
Okay.
Let me.
Hello, Freedom. You're mute if you are saying something.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was speaking. So yeah, so like I say, you have to add this line, this style here, right? So what you give you an outline, like a button with an outline. Then with this app store color, the paint the line of the button. So this will achieve what you want to do for the button. So actually, this should belong in a button, not here. It should be in a button. So like this actually to copy fix the issue. So if you have this, it will make a button and outline with the color of your choice instead of adding up a style and then creating a durable and all these things. This would be easy.
Did you use emulator?
What?
I don't
Yeah.
your screen.
Okay. Hold on. Let me do it on another project because this one is. Let me do it somewhere else. Let me do it somewhere else. I can let me do it somewhere else. I have a bug currently, so let me do it here. Let me show you.
Uh,
Give me a second. This works. 1 second. Come on. Come on.
Freedom. If you don't mind, then is it okay if you can help Ahmed later on after the meeting, or maybe we can do it at the end of the meeting, so
Sure,
we
sure.
can like just discuss the rest of the
Okay,
things once.
okay.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Great. So yeah. So I guess so Ahmed, you just connect once with Freedom. He'll be able to help you out.
Okay.
Yeah,
After
great.
this meeting, I think.
Yeah,
Will.
yeah, yeah. That would be great.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I think we have discussed almost everything. So yeah, we have Aditya and Oluwaseyi. Yeah, they are new to our team. So can you guys just like introduce yourself once, like your name and place you're from, and something like your experience.
Good day, everyone. Good evening, good morning from wherever you are. My name is Oluwaseyi from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm an Android developer.
Great.
Yeah, thanks.
Hello, everyone. I'm Aditya. You can call me Eddie if that's easier for you. And I'm from India, but right now I'm in Georgia. Thank you.
Awesome. Okay, so yeah, so we have like 2 tickets. One thing I wanted to confirm with Mayor J once. Mayor J, are you working on the XML part for the edit organization account? Like, have you started?
No, I haven't started yet.
Okay, so like this week, I suppose that you will be working on the login sign up. So will you be able to work on this, or maybe Aditya or someone can work?
I think it would be better someone else pick up that
Awesome.
so
Great,
that we
great.
can focus on this one.
Got it. So yeah, Aditya, can you work on this part? We need to create the XML designs for the organization account. So there, can you work on? Will you be able to work on that ticket, Aditya?
Yeah, sure.
Great. So you need to create the XML part for these screens. And I guess this will go in the profile module, if I'm not wrong, Osai.
Yeah, it should be
Are you there?
Please come again.
Yeah, I was just saying that the edit.org account XML files will go in the profile module, right?
Yes, yes, they will go into the profile model.
Yeah. So yeah, keep that in mind, Aditya. And if you have any questions, then just feel free to post in the channel, and yeah, anyone will help you. So I'll later
Okay,
on,
great.
yeah, assign you, or you can also assign yourself to the ticket. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I guess, yeah, Oluwasi, would you be able to work on this ticket to create the XML file for edit organization profile?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Great, great. So I'll assign you to this ticket as well.
Tejas,
Yeah,
Tejas,
yeah.
please, Oluwaseyi can join them in the sign-in login feature now,
Uh,
because I think they need more hands there.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That would be also great. Yeah, we need to do research on the auth zero part. So yeah,
Yes, the audio part and making sure everything work in that module. So Oluwaseyi, are you up for the task?
That's the problem. I will join them.
awesome,
Share knowledge together to get it done.
great, great. So yeah, please connect with Mayor J Igor so that we can, as soon as possible, we can complete the sign in sign up feature. Okay then. So Ferial, I think that you have completed the edit individual account screens and you have a PR. So maybe you would like to work on the edit organization profile ticket. Hello. Uh, I think she's not able to. She has chat. Yeah, we cannot hear you, Ferial. Can you just type in that if you can work, or maybe you can message me later on if you would like to work on this ticket. Great, great. Okay, so yeah, so we have everyone working on this, and there's this Notion page. I'll share the link. I had shared it earlier, like in the very beginning. So I've created this task board, and I'll be adding the comments of so that we all are on track and we all know that what's the status of each ticket and the feature. So yeah, I'll be adding the notes, and you guys can also come in and check what's going on. Right?
Tejas, I tried to open the Zeppelin link for the issue, but it says that I'm not invited. If you can just look
Yeah,
into
yeah,
it.
yeah. I'll add you as well as Oluwase to the Zeppelin as well as GitHub.
Yeah, that would
Yeah,
be great. Thank you.
just share me your GitHub username and your email address.
Sure. Yes.
Awesome. Great then. So, does anyone have any questions or anything to add?
Oh, can you repeat where can I find the Notion page?
Yes, I'll share the link.
Okay.
You can find it in product feature pages, and then but I'll also share the specific link.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, awesome. So yeah, any questions from anyone or any suggestions?
I have no one.
Great.
No.
Okay, Ferial has a question. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Ferial. Yes, definitely. Yeah, so we need to review. So Osai, Mejay, Jose, anyone from you, it would be great. We have two pull requests already. So if you can review those. Manager Osai?
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, please review both. Great. Amazing, Osai. Yeah, great. I guess yeah, I guess that's all for today. If anyone have any questions regarding the tickets or any doubts, Ahmed, you also, if you get any doubt, then just post in the channel. Right?
Okay. Right.
Great. Thank you everyone for joining in. And yeah, today's meeting was lengthy, but yeah, it was good. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.